80 minus 70 gives us 10. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have one subtraction and one division. According to the PEMDAS, division has higher priority than subtraction because division comes before subtraction. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this, first we have to do this division, then this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 70 divided by 2 gives us 35. So we have 80 minus 35, which equals 45. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 45.